Arthropoda is the largest phylum of the kingdom Animalia. The body has segmented and jointed appendages, chitinous exoskeleton which prevents the water loss, and it is shed off. This is called as a molting, the shedding off of the exoskeleton. And then the body is bilaterally symmetrical and it is divided into head, thorax, and abdomen. The excretion is here, it takes place through the coxal glands that we are seeing here and the Malpighian tubules I am showing here. These are the excretion takes place through this. Development is direct or indirect, involving larval stages. If it is indirect, it involves larval stages. Phylum Mollusca. It is the second most successful animal phylum behind the arthropods. The body is covered by calcareous shell. As I am showing here, it is covered by a calcareous shell and the body is unsegmented. The body is unsegmented. It has feather-like gills that I am showing here. Feather-like gills for respiration. Digestive system is complete and mouth. Mouth contains radula for grasping. It helps for the grasping of its prey. Sense organs are the tentacles and eyes are its sense organs. Development is indirect, which involves a larva called veliger larva. Then comes a Echinodermata. Echino means spiny skin. So we are, as I am showing here in this picture, the starfish or the sea urchin, sea cucumber, they all have spines over their body. Because of this spiny skin, it is named as Echinodermata, and it has umbilical system. Umbilical system with the 2 feet and a mouth and a 2 feet. 2 feet are the podia for grasping, which helps in its locomotion and transport. This is a picture that I'm showing of the tube feet, the extension tube feet, and it also helps in the transport of its food. Excretory organs are absent in this phylum animals, and the development is indirect, involving larval forms. And this phylum Echinodermata animals show a remarkable power to regenerate. The picture that I am showing here is a sea star regenerating from a single arm, They show a remarkable power of regeneration. Then comes Hemichordata phylum. This Hemichordata is close to Echinodermata. It is commonly known as acorn worms that we are seeing here. Acorn worms, the body is bilaterally symmetrical. They all are marine animals. And the body here, that I am showing here, it is divided into proboscis, collar, and a trunk. The body is divided into 3 parts, and the respiration is through paired gill slits that we are seeing here. Paired gill slits. Excretion takes place by glomerulus. Excretion by glomerulus, that is the structure here, say glomerulus. And the development is indirect, involving a larva called as a Tornaria larva. Phylum Chordata is the largest phylum, including the most familiar animals like fish, birds, reptiles, amphibians, mammals, and the less known animals like Amphioxus and tunicates. The distinct features of the chordates, all these animals during their life cycle, they show 3 distinct features. That is the presence of a notochord that I am showing here below the tubular nerve cord, the picture that I am showing here, and pharyngeal gill slits. These are the 3 distinct features of the animals found in the phylum Chordata. The sea squids or the tunicates, they have tunic over their body. These come under subphylum Eurochordata. Euro means tail. The animals in this, the notochord is present in the tail region of them in their larval forms. Only in the larval forms the notochord will be present in the tail regions, and therefore these are called as the Eurochordata, and they show the distinct features of the chordates like nerve cord and the pharyngeal gill slits. Subphylum Cephalochordata. Cephalo means head and chordata, cord. These are mostly marine forms found in shallow water. They are small fish-like structures that we are seeing here with chordate characters such as the notochord, neural tube, and the gill slits. The mouth and anus are present. Excretion is through nephridia. The gill slits we are showing, and then they show free-living swimming larval forms, and therefore the development in them is indirect. Vertebrates are higher chordates that possess notochord in their embryonic stages only. They are divided into agnatha, animals which lack jaws, and Cyclostomata, the animals which bear jaws, which are again divided into pisces and tetrapoda, which bears fins and bear limbs. Class Cyclostomata, the animals which lack jaws, and here we are seeing hagfish and lamprey, examples of Cyclostomata. These Cyclostomata animals, they have about 6 to 15 pairs of gill slits for the respiration. They don't have any appendages, pad appendages. The body is slender, as I'm showing you here in this picture. They show very characteristic feature of anadromous migration, that is the fishes, they migrate from seawater to freshwater for spawning. Spawning means producing eggs. After producing eggs, they die. This is a characteristic feature of class Cyclostomata. Next, contact types. The fishes in these are marine with cartilaginous endoskeleton. The skin is covered by placoid scales, as I am showing here. The jaws are very powerful, and the respiration is by gills, which do not have any operculum. They have paired fins for their swimming, and these are viviparous, that is, they give birth to young ones. Next comes class Osteichthyes. The fishes in these are both marine and freshwater fishes, and with bony endoskeleton. The skin is covered by cyclodactynoid scales, as we are seeing here, and they have pelvic and dorsal fins for swimming, and they have operculum here. These class fishes, they have operculum, that is a gill cover, whereas this is absent in the fishes seen in the class Caudate types. And they have show a presence of lateral sense organ, well-developed lateral sense organ, and most forms of them are oviparous, that is, they lay eggs. Osteichthyes fishes lay eggs, they are oviparous, whereas Caudate fishes, they are viviparous, that is, they give birth to young ones. Next, we come to the class Amphibians, Amphibia or Amphibia. First vertebrate to live in aquatic as well as terrestrial habitats. As we are seeing the pictures here, they lay eggs in water, and the picture that we are showing here is that is spawning. They are producing too many of eggs. This is a very characteristic feature of the amphibians, and they have two pairs of limbs. Eyes have eyelids. The oviparous, the development is indirect, producing larvae. Next comes class Reptilia or reptiles. Their body is covered by dry conified scales. A conified skin, lay cleidoic eggs. That is, the eggs have extraembryonic membranes like amnion, allantois, chorion, and yolk sac. These are extraembryonic membranes. And their heart is three-chambered. As I'm showing the picture here, the heart is three-chambered. Even amphibians have a three-chambered heart, but only difference is that in this, the reptiles' heart, they have the picture that I'm showing here. There is septa. The three-chambered heart is separated by septa, which is absent in the amphibians. They are also three-chambered animals' heart. Birds coming in the class Aves, they have feathers to fly, except some birds which are flightless like ostrich, they don't have any feathers. They have lungs for respiration, which is continuous with the air sac. The heart is four-chambered, and the aves are homeothermic, that is, they are warm-blooded animals. The body temperature is constant irrespective of any changes in their external environment. We come to the mammalia, the class which bears a variety of habitat animals, and the special trait is that all the animals in this, they feed their young ones. Presence of mammary glands, the body is covered with body hair. They are warm-blooded animals, maintain their temperature irrespective of their external environment. External ear with three middle ear bones, and they have a backbone, protect their young ones. Special teeth, presence of special teeth, and mammals have a large brain. These are the common features shared by the animals in the class Mammalia. So it traveled so far in class from kingdom Animalia, from invertebrates to vertebrates to chordates, each showing their own fundamental characteristics, each having their specific characters in their phylum.